Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing some makeup. Here we go. Give it a good old face whoosh, a scrunch, and a... So first you're going to start with eye primer, because eye primer makes your eyes look vibrant when you apply your eyeshadow. Just gonna give it a good old pat, 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 pat. We're using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's this green right here. We're just gonna mush it into the corner of the eye there. Just a good old mush. Go ahead, do that on the other side as well. Doesn't have to be even. That's not what we're here for. Go ahead, take the blue and the green, mix them together, give them a good old mush across the eye there. Now the swishing motion, that's important. That's really what blends all the colors together. You're gonna go ahead and take the deeper blue, mush that into the corner there. That's real important. Now we're blending. Look at that. Some more whooshing. Now take the finger and swipe away all of your mistakes. You make a lot of mistakes, so you're gonna need the finger. Whoosh. Just gonna clean it on up, clean it on up. Get it away from the eyebrow. We don't want color on the eyebrows. Okay, we're singing. We're singing. I'm not good at reading lips anymore. Take the finger, just more whooshing, more blending. Keep it clean. Nice and professional. Now you're gonna take the blue and you're just gonna fill it in. Just gonna fill it on in. Now we're taking pale goop. That's what it is, pale goop. We're just gonna take that all across the eyelid. There we go. Now we're using white. I couldn't read the color because it was upside down, so. But we filled that in. Now you're looking professional. Now we're gonna take nail polish and eyeliner. Now we're looking like Sprite. Go ahead, draw your lines. Take your, what is that, concealer on your beauty blender. Conceal your pain. And then drop your equipment and then pretend like it didn't happen. There we go. Go ahead, cover all the spots you don't like about yourself, and then blend it in so well that... Wow, she's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Now we're gonna take, what is this? We're doing foundation now. Oh, I dropped that. Oh, I dropped that. Oh, I dropped that. Now we're going to take our foundation, we're just going to put it everywhere. All the hard work we just did with the concealing and the color correcting, forget that. Just cover it all up. There we go. Now we're looking nice and smooth. Now we're going to take some purple. We're going to take it on our lower lash line. Oh, yep, and then we're going to take some aquamarine green. Absolutely beautiful right there. Looking real professional. Then we're gonna take some... Yeah, I don't think that did anything. That didn't happen. That is just for show. Then we're gonna do our eyebrows. Doing your eyebrows is very important because when you look at children who are doing things wrong, you have to go ahead and raise your eyebrow real high, and then they get scared and then they stop doing stuff. Then we're going to take our bronzer, we're going to go ahead and do the cheeks there. Then we're going to start outlining our face. Go ahead and give your face a little bit of definition. Brings back the depth to your face that we took away with the foundation. Man, I am good at this. Just keep on patting. Then we're going to put on a little bit of blush. Bring some color back to the face. Who doesn't love a little bit of blush? Now we're gonna start defining our beautiful features. There we go. Just highlight all the things we love. Oh, a little bit on the nose. Who doesn't want to be pretty? That's what I'm saying. Go ahead and take some white stuff and put it under your eyebrows. Take a little more of the highlight. Just whoosh it all around. Now we're shining. Now we're laughing because I'm in the room. Oh, look. Look at the sweet giggle. Just trying to hide it. Then spritz it with some purple stuff. Now it looks like we're wet. Just whoosh, 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 whoosh. Try not to laugh. Do a little bit of dancing. Dancing is good. If you're not dancing while you're doing your makeup, you're doing your makeup wrong. So this is not mascara. This is like a mascara priming gel. It makes your lashes healthy and whatnot. And then you take your actual mascara and you go ahead and cover up everything you just did with your white non-mascara. So you're doubled up. You take the little thing that looks like a bullet, and then, well, now we're using a brush. So, oh, and now we're using what looks like a completely different lipstick, but it's green. Go ahead, take the green, let your hair down, let everyone see how pretty you are. Look into the camera. And then show off all your hard work. Looking absolutely beautiful. Probably to go to work. Then you go to work. Do a little bit of dancing, a little bit of showcasing. Giggle. This is a lot of dancing. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Or if you are subscribed, go ahead, hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Hit the whoa. Bye, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe for more.